Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to take you at Jeevdhan Fort, which is going to be one of the most dangerous trek of my life, and I'll be doing trekking, rappelling and zipline over there. And to be honest, this particular activity is going to be more adventurous, more challenging, more thrilling and more dangerous as well. Guys, Jeevdhan Fort is about 120 kilometers from Pune, and I have been in Pune for the last 3 days, but sadly my body is not getting acclimatized and I'm facing climatic sickness. As a matter of fact, I've been traveling across India since 28th of September 2024, and today is 15th November. Let me tell you one thing, before landing in Pune I almost traveled for 45 days and never faced any kind of climatic sickness, and getting climatic sickness throughout my journey was inevitable. However, I remained untouchable, but the climate of Pune is some sort of challenging and I'm combating with it. Well, let's start the journey of a memorable, thrilling experience. So come with me and join the thrilling party. So guys, I'm just taking exit from the Shivaji Nagar metro station. Guys, I'm just out of Shivaji Nagar metro station, and see the traffic. It is 10 p.m. in the night, and the traffic is very bad. So guys, finally after checking out from metro, I am at the pickup location. It is nearby Shivaji Nagar metro station, and I just had a word with coordinator. He is arriving very soon. Then we'll move forward to base camp. Guys, finally the bus has arrived. In this bus we are going to Jeevdhan. We'll move forward to the base camp. So guys, this is the main point from where we are going forward to the base camp. Guys, good morning from base village of Jeevdhan track. So finally we have taken a morning breakfast, and we are moving forward to the trekking. And I have met this particular guy, a very amazing guy. His name is Om, and he is doing engineering. He's really interesting guy. So what do you wanna say?
I am very excited to the trek. Let's go.
So he's very excited, and like he's not comfortable with the camera. He said to me that he's really excited and he has mixed feelings about this particular track. He's a bit worried, like nervous, but more excited. So guys, finally we are getting ready for the track, and these all are the equipments. You can see this is the main car, like technician's car, and all these are participants. It would be more than 40. And this is the main guy, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Guys, these all are the participants moving forward to the point of zipline and rappelling. And I didn't expect this much, population. Like, it is so crowded. I hate it. So guys, this is the track. Seems to be very dangerous, and all these are the participants, and they are coming up. Some are getting tired and all. चलने का अपन को देखने का ट्रैकिंग ये होता है, लेफ्ट में खाई पूरा This is very narrowed, path, way, whatever you can call. So guys, this is the trek, and it is, I think, 7 o'clock in the morning, and the way is really dangerous. As you can check, all the rocks are there, and very dangerous, and thrilling as well. I don't know how you are enjoying, but I'm enjoying a lot with my camera, with my team, whatever. So guys, this is the trackway. Seems to be very dangerous. If you come on this way, then please make sure you are complete with all the equipments. No, see this. Oh. This is kind of support which you can hold. You can see the view. The track is like Jivdhan track is challenging, more exciting, and I would say more thrilling as well. If you love adventure and thrilling experiences, then this is for you. So guys, Shahrukh bhai is getting tired, and these are straight steeps. You can see, seems to be very challenging and difficult. People are getting tired and they are stopping for some rest. So guys, this is a kind of a point, and so many people have told me about this particular place. This is known as seed storeroom. In ancient time, so many people or the local peoples, they used to keep their like wheat, rice over here. So this is kind of a room, and we are going inside. Yeah, you can check. So guys, that is the main gate of Jivdhan Fort, and we are moving forward the same. Guys, can you see this? There are people who are standing there. We have to reach there, and we are right now here. We have to cross this way to reach there. So guys, finally we are too closer to the zip line point and the rappelling point. You can see people are like participants are enjoying their zip line. So guys, finally we are at the location of zip line and rappelling. Let me show you the zip line and rappelling position. Starting point of zip line, and that is the point where the zip line will end, and from there the rappelling will start. You can see. Guys, this is the starting point of zip line, and by doing zip line we need to reach there. That is Vangalinga Pinnacle, and from there we need to come down by doing a rappelling. As of now, I'm at the location, and I have a surprise for you. So right now I am with this amazing human being, and she is about 51 years old, and she has come all the way from Bengaluru from this particular track, rappelling and zip line, and I really appreciate and salute her courage to be part of this particular activity. And meet this lady.
हाय आई एम अरुणा फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. मैं सबको इंस्पायर करूँगी, सभी लोग, सभी लेडीज़ और गर्ल्स आके मेरी जैसा ट्रेकिंग करो. अच्छा से आपको अच्छा से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. जो भी मुश्किल है तो भी आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए अच्छा मन होगा. आप भी करो. अच्छा से आपका तंदुरुस्त भी बढ़ेगा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ेगा, आपका हेल्थ भी अच्छा होगा.
So guys, this is the message which she wanted to share with everybody. So like, I'm really surprised to know about her capabilities and courage, because you know, whenever you are 50 plus or 40 plus, so you lose your confidence, you lose your capability for physical activity. But I really salute her courage and like bravery to come on this particular track, and she is you know, going to doing this particular zip line, rappelling, and she'll enjoy a lot. So whoever is watching this particular video is about 51 years old or plus, so get some motivation from her and do some kind of trekking or like any kind of adventure or thrilling activity. So guys, finally I'm ready for the zip line from this particular point, and I'm feeling a bit excited and more worried. I won't say worried, I would say like nervous. So let's see how it takes place. So guys, finally we have done a zip line from that particular point to this point, and this is Vanar Linga, and I have like, boys, how are you feeling, guys?
Awesome.
How are you feeling, man?
Awesome, bro.
So from this point we need to go down by rappelling, and I'll share my experience as well via video. So guys, this is a view from Vanar Linga Pinnacle.
Moria.
Very thrilling, guys, very thrilling. So this is the finishing point of rappelling. Let me show you the finishing point. So this one, and I have come from this particular rope, you can check. And guys, to be honest, the experience was more than expectation, and it was full of thrilling, and I was enjoying a lot. So this was the final part of this particular vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Stay connected, stay happy.